Hey, welcome back to the video. Today in this video, not gonna lie, y'all see what's in my hand right here. Yeah, y'all see that button. Look at that button right there. Look at that button. Nah, though, based on this video, a lot of stuff happened. We lost a couple homies. A lot of homies died. We're actually dropping like flies lately. But we catch, I don't even know how much hats, but at least I think like 5 or 6 hats that I caught in this video. But now though, hope y'all like, subscribe, and notification bell, and I catch y'all and the outro, man. And see you. Alright, oh wait, damn.
Yeah, because they went to Pyro. Oh, wait, never mind. They is.
Alright. I got my eyes on, so I ever talk to you. Man, they hiding in the bag. They have their big homies hiding.
They scary.
Okay,
No.
Okay, 3. Say, C game. Someone say C game. I got the one with the gun holding. Where's the other ones at? There should be one holding up the gun back there. Watch out. Hold on. We're not gonna bounce the front lines yet. Say C game. Say C game. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's anyone in the back, like hiding back there real quick. Like okay, I see David. Oh yeah, there's one hiding back there, bro. It's not slick, bro. Bro, it's not fucking slick.
So if someone go to the back, two people go to the back because they gonna make me in the back.
Wait, don't bounce out.
Fuck it, bro. Fuck it.
I'll take this dude that's walking outside right now.
Fuck it, bro. Let me bounce out.
No.
No, not yet.
Please, let me.
I want them to stop hiding.
Nigga, they don't have to stop hiding. Well, yes, they do.
They're hiding back, bro.
They not supposed to be hiding.
Yo, Jay,
Yo.
how do you give somebody a pose? Like,
Hold on,
in
man.
one of my movies.
Oh.
I'm saying, you just driving around. They could have been shot at us. You know that, right?
Come on, bounce out.
Bro, what? Billy. I told you you can't bounce out some lines with me.
I killed 3.
J bro, you gonna let me bounce out with this black Drake, bro?
I killed 3.
Come on, that's me right here.
You kill all them?
Yeah, I killed all of them. Come on.
I killed 3.
Come on, go. Get in the car.
Jay, you gonna let me bounce out with this black Drake, cuz?
Black Drake don't work.
That's how you do it. That's how you do a skit. That's how you do a skit. I know we lost one, but we flipped our whole crew. We flipped all their main shooters. Oh my god, I'm low, fool. I got hit.
Ain't gonna lie, yo, Jay, I just got arcade.
I'm climbing up the tree like a monkey. Wait.
Yo, the track is so. Yo, why is there so many people over here?
Oh yeah, someone's not good.
Go talk to him, y'all, cause I can't.
Refresh me, gang. Refresh me. I'm good.
Jimmy, I'm under the map. I see both of you guys. I have everybody's track, so I'm just gonna be right here.
Hey, refresh me. I'm good.
And I'm recording too, Jimmy.
Yeah, alright. I got 438 FPS. That's good, baby.
I need a gun.
Why do y'all ask me? Why do they ask me?
Bump this car right now. Pulse off this bump the car right now. They ain't making it.
Yo,
They bounce out, they ain't making it. They bounce out, they ain't making it on this shit. They don't know what's inside this jacket pocket.
I'm still in the game with you guys, but
Oh yeah, you ain't making it home. You ain't making it home. Come here. Hold up. Hold, you ain't making it home. Come here.
I guess I'm getting arcade.
Come here. Come here. I got one. Got one. You ain't making it home.
What's up, cat?
Well, I can't run, so I'm gonna go this way.
I just did a O, like
So I'm gonna go bang set.
a hula hoop. Hey, Faye be spinning blocks in circles like hula hoop. It's fucking 15 people in the game. Oh, it's 12. You know, fuck.
Bro, why can I not see they chat? Bro, what is they? Nah, bro. What?
I'm right here, bro. Outside.
They
You
weird.
can't see their chat. You said.
That's what I thought.
I see what they finna do. They finna try to come
He's
to the
on
hospital.
1D.
Nah.
He told me because he wanted to get belted again.
They going to the hospital side, bro. So watch the hospital side.
Yo. Yo.
All right, look, Jay, give me the rolls real fast. My name is.
Right now.
My name is.
No.
I bet.
Look. Hey, on that Hellcat. That Hellcat spins again. I'm flipping it.
Not on the Hellcat.
Well, the Hellcat's being fucking sneaky. So. Come to this. One more time.
How the fuck did I die from resetting?
Hellcat came through again. I'm finna blow it down.
Don't blow down, not yet. Hold on.
Bro, where did dude go?
Point fucking sneaky, bro. Oh shit.
Oh,
Hey, Faye.
Where's he shooting from?
Why don't
he shot from hospital somewhere over by
Hey.
hospital.
Shop. Like the
Hey,
back of
somebody named Lil J. Somebody named Lil J.
I killed that bitch. Dumbass. Stay homies.
Oh, you killed him?
Somebody named Lil J said how I get a gun.
Yeah, right.
I blow them down. Who them is? Who them is right there?
Who's this? Where you from, homie? Bro,
Bro, kill.
who just TP to me? No, don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Oh, this R40?
I-40.
Wait, why is people asking my age?
Fuck I-40.
Yeah, I swear you need to learn how to feel.
Bro, yeah, I spell that one.
Fuck I-40.
BMP. What?
Should we bounce off this car?
No, not right here.
Oh, we should bounce.
Oh, you know I can't bounce out right here.
Slash me, so we on to the
Let's go.
Bro, I just got
Yeah.
flipped out.
slash me.
That's how we do that.
Yeah, I
Let's
did my
go.
slash. Come on.
Jimmy.
Oh, you did your slash me.
Violate the whole scenery.
No,
Let
we need to fix that car, bro.
the whole
It's good,
scenery.
though.
Let's
It's
go.
good, though.
No, bro, I just got.
Outside. He's outside.
Outside.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that.
Oh,
Oh,
no, it's you.
I think we caught him. Oh, I just fucking flipped the whole car. Oh my god, I just made it do a whole ass backflip. Oh, I just fucking flipped the whole car. Oh my god. I just made it do a fucking backflip.
Where is it?
I don't know.
There we go.
I fucking made it do a backflip. Where's you?
Well, look at that. Yeah, we're shooting at the back.
Oh,
Right there, right.
Go shoot running people though. Go shoot running people.
He's right here. I caught that one.
Well, yeah, yeah. See, I caught one inside that car.
Oh.
I caught one. Bro, yo, get outside. Get outside. Get outside.
Oh, they deep.
They deep.
Yes,
Yes.
bro. Oh my
There's
God,
4
okay.
they 3 deep.
Hey, little homie, get on that car for me.
I've been. Okay.
Bro, what? They just picked me up. They didn't. Did they even bang set?
I didn't even think they're gonna shoot.
They
Be
shouldn't
on
be.
lookout,
They
though.
shouldn't
Be on
shoot.
lookout.
They should have shoot because we didn't even bang set. Nobody bang set. If they start shooting, bro.
Stay outside.
Nobody-
You have enough ammo in there. You're good.
Jimmy, you need to hurry. You need to fix this running, bro. Bro, no, it's not just me, bro.
There's other console players that run perfectly fine.
Huh?
No, it's not.
You mean like the running on console? Yeah, I can't run on console.
See? And you talking about something? It's just me, bro.
Gotta use my keyboard and mouse.
Hey, watch the hospital. Stop talking like this. 'Cause I got my fucking. I'm recording. So, like, actually, stop fucking talking.
Nobody
I'm
even
trying.
talking about anything, bro.
Like, fix this. Bro, why are they doing this? Oh
Hey,
my God, they're cheating.
You check the time?
Like, if y'all die, just don't talk.
Nah, we gonna. I'm gonna. You know, I'm gonna say what I have to say. You know that. No matter what.
I'll go for a while and I have to.
Who's this that needs to be?
Me.
Bro, they didn't even bang set though.
Yeah, they
Hey,
start.
hey, do the fit go? Do the fit go? Y'all do my fit go?
That's the thing.
Down,
Shit,
down,
they
down.
shooting. They
What's the
shooting. Watch
shooting
out.
from?
Cross. I killed one. I killed one. I killed one across the street. I killed one.
Where?
Across the street from where?
Right in front of us.
Oh, from over there?
They
I thought
go.
they was
I
at.
killed one. They're like 4 deep in that car, right?
3. There was 3.
Where they at?
I don't know.
I see a Hellcat.
Oh no, I killed one. I'll come to your side, y'all. I'll come to your side.
I'm
Watch my back. Watch my cover.
I'm covering. Go cross. I'm covering.
I'm going to the other side of this house already.
On everything I love, I had to drop.
Oh my God.
That was you that got killed?
Yeah, motherfucker.
Yeah, I tried to run off and got my shit full. I know one of y'all got dropped.
Nah, you didn't even kill one. You fucking airball.
Oh God!
Oh, yeah,
you airball up.
Airball badly.
Bro, how
Gang,
how-
because like from that
Man.
deep,
What you want?
gang. No, it was 4 of us, gang. They started shooting. They shot. I shot the most. Gang, I shot my whole clip. They shot 2 bullets. Got back in the
Like,
car
on
and
that car,
drove.
On what car?
Don't shoot.
And then, gang, and look, bro. It's from wherever we was shooting at, you can't see shit. It's straight gray.
Well, yeah, that's called you have to turn your background up, my boy.
They right here.
Don't shoot. We don't even know what that's.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's it.
That's done for sure.
Alright,
Yeah, nah, that's done for
when you
sure.
die, do not go in this VC like that.
All right, I clapped one before I died.
They stopped their car.
They stopped the car. What the
Oh.
fuck they doing? That
Wait.
has to be his home. Don't shoot. It's good.
I
Why
see
did
someone
that-
coming up. I see somebody
here.
running up. Somebody running up.
Don't shoot.
They have a gun. They have a gun, bro.
Yeah.
Yes.
They
They,
right
they
here.
know they don't
Right
know
here.
that.
They right here.
See?
In the middle. In the middle.
I know, I'm seeing.
They're going. They're going around. They're going around.
I'm already.
Yeah, they
Oh,
finna shoot from hospital.
Oh, they finna go to behind hospital right now.
Yep.
And spin.
I'm already knowing, bro. Just stick together. Stick together. That's our big rule. We need.
Hey, where you at,
work-
twin? Hey,
I'm right
Fade,
here.
you my twin in the RP.
Yep, I'm right here.
You
They
my older
stop.
twin.
I see the car stop.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
they
no,
keep
that's
going?
right there.
Yeah.
Hey, if they circle like come in fully into our hood again, flip that car.
Oh God, I'm parking some. I just parked one of their homies before.
Yeah, I kill one.
Oh shit,
Oh shit, who shot?
me by accident. My thing.
They
froze.
came back around.
But they're not pulling inside our shit.
Trying to do right there. They open the car.
They, bro, we could shoot
Hey,
right
how do you
We could low key shoot.
on keyboard?
R.
I'm finna shoot.
How many y'all drop?
I kill one.
I killed two.
I kill one.
They did. They go.
What did
Hey,
I
I
just
got no
witness?
bullets.
Who
What
just
did I
coming up
just
to the hood? Who just coming up to the hood?
This me.
Okay,
This me.
Hey, I got
Yeah, y'all, that's the video for today. Please like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm with my goodbyes. Bye.